Welcome students again into the 12th science chemistry class. Now from last lecture or up to the last lecture we are learning the nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. And now today we are going to learn the electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes, that is the aryl halides such as chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. Now in the electrophilic substitutions, as electrophiles means electron loving, that means the electrophiles have the positive charge on them, and when these electrophiles reacts with the haloarene, that is the alkyl halide, there is always formation of ortho and para products. Why? Because in the last lecture we learned that is the resonating structures of haloarene, that is the chlorobenzene. In the resonating structure of chlorobenzene we learned that the electron density is maximum at ortho and para positions. You may see that structure, that is the resonating structures of chlorobenzene. There is negative charge is only at ortho and para positions. That means the maximum relative electron density concentrate at ortho and para position. As ortho and para positions have the negative charge, so these electrophiles which have the positive charge always attack on ortho and para positions of that of the haloarene or chlorobenzene. Now in this, that is the ortho product and the para product, always the para product is more in percent, that is the major, because at ortho position if the electrophile attacks there is the steric hindrance or crowding, and due to that it deactivates that molecule, that means energize the molecule, so more energy, so less stable at ortho position. But the para position, if the electrophile goes, what happened? There is no steric hindrance. The two groups are far apart from each other. That means less energy and more stability. So always in the electrophilic substitution reactions, the para product is maximum or major. Now see here, electrophilic substitution reactions in aryl halides. In aryl halides undergo electrophilic substitution reaction slowly as compared to the benzene. Now only benzene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction more readily than the chlorobenzene or aryl halide, because due to that halogen atom, the halogen atom have that is chlorine atom have very strong electron withdrawing minus I effect or negative inductive effect, and due to that the electrophilic reactions with halobenzene or chlorobenzenes are more slowly than only that of the benzene, because on benzene there is no halogen atom. So that's why the electrophilic substitution reactions are slowly in case of aryl benzene or aryl halides as compared to only benzene. Now in resonance structures of chlorobenzene, when we see that resonance structure of chlorobenzene, the electron density is relatively more at ortho and para positions. Therefore, incoming electrophile which is positively charged is attacked at these positions. But due to steric hindrance at ortho position and due to the steric hindrance at ortho position, what happened? Para product is usually predominates. Now how the halogenation or chlorination occur in chlorobenzene? See this example. When chlorine reacts with the chlorobenzene, which are the products? See here, now the first electrophilic reaction of this chlorobenzene is the halogenation. Now we have to do the halogenation of chlorobenzene or aryl benzene, that is the haloarenes, all the same names, aryl benzene or aryl halides, aryl halides or arene benzenes, or these are the arene halides, these are the same. So if the halogenation of that arene halides or aryl halides such as chlorobenzene, what happened? See here. Now in halogenation, it is carried out by reacting haloarene, that is the aryl halides such as chlorobenzene. This haloarene reacts with halogen such as chlorine in the presence of ferric salt, that is the ferric chloride, which is the Lewis acid catalyst. So the ferric chloride Lewis acid catalyst, which is the anhydrous ferric chloride, is always required for the halogenation, this chlorination of this chlorine. Now here already one chlorine is there because it is the aryl halide chlorobenzene. When it reacts with the chlorine in the presence of anhydrous ferric chloride, what are the products? Now this para position, the one of the chlorine atom goes at the para position and one of the chlorine atom goes at the ortho position. But this can be balanced in this way also. You can take two molecules of chlorobenzene, or if you take only one molecule, that is not wrong. Here you can write down in this way also. Now one, that is the 1,4-dichlorobenzene, which is the major product. 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4 position, the another chlorine goes. That is the para position, which is the major product. And the another product at the second position, this second chlorine atom goes, which is the 1,2-dichlorobenzene, that is the minor. This is also called as the para-chlorobenzene, and this is also called as the ortho-chlorobenzene, which is minor due to the steric hindrance. And if we take the one of the, then suppose 0.8% this is formed and 0.2% this is formed. And this hydrogen and one of the chlorine is again there. So the byproduct is the HCl. Now HCl is the byproduct in this reaction because the hydrogen atom at this para position get replaced when this is formed, and hydrogen atom of this ortho position get replaced by the chlorine, and the two hydrogen atoms, or suppose one molecule is there, the one hydrogen atom and the remaining one chlorine forms the HCl as the byproduct, and this is 0.8%, this is 0.2% suppose, and this total one molecule will be there, and the one hydrogen atom which get replaced reacts with the one of the chlorine, and there is formed the byproduct HCl. In a haloarene, halogen atom has strong electron withdrawing inductive effect, minus I effect. This deactivates the ring, and so electrophilic substitution reaction occur slowly. Thus, when chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine, para-chlorobenzene, that is the 1,4-dichlorobenzene, which is the major product, and ortho-chlorobenzene, which is the minor products, are obtained. Now let us learn, students, the next electrophilic substitution reaction, that is the nitration of the haloarene or aryl halide. But first you take the screenshot and write down the notes in a beautiful handwriting. So let us learn now nitration. Now see, students, again on a blackboard. Now we are learning the second electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarene or aryl halides. Now that is the nitration. What happened in the nitration? The nitric acid is the reagent, and in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, this reaction is carried out. So concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acids are present for this nitration of chlorobenzene. Now this mixture, that is the concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, this mixture is also called as the nitritating mixture because it is the nitration of haloarene or chlorobenzene. Now see here, in the nitration, it detail, it gives the two different products. First one is the 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, which is the major product because para product is always major, and 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, which is the minor product. Now the numbering is given in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now at first position chlorine, and at fourth position, para position, NO2 group is there, nitro group. So it is the 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, which is the major group. Again, the second product is, now if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as the numbering. Now this is the 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, which is the minor product. In this way, students, in the nitration of benzene, the that is the para-nitrochlorobenzene and ortho-nitrochlorobenzene, that is the 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene are obtained. Now here also this nitric acid, in this way we can write HONO2. Now see here, this is nothing but HNO3. Now this nitro group get attached of this nitric acid, and this OH group and the hydrogen which is already present in this benzene ring, on this position it replace this H and OH form the byproduct as the H2O, water. Again, if at the para position this nitro group goes, then the hydrogen and the OH also form the water. Here also as 0.8, this is the percentage, and 0.2, that means one molecule if we take, and here the hydrogen and the OH group form the water as the byproduct. Now in this way, this is very important reaction. In the examination always ask the short notes on halogenation of chlorobenzene or nitration of chlorobenzene. Now let us learn the third electrophilic substitution reaction, that is the sulfonation. Now see there, in sulfonation what is there? It is carried out by heating haloarenes, that is the chlorobenzene, with fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming means continuously the vapors are evolved from that sulfuric acid, which is very strong sulfuric acid is required. That is the H2, that is the H2 SO4 plus SO3, such type of there. Now this is the fuming sulfuric acid. Now here chlorobenzene when reacts with this fuming sulfuric acid or heated with that of the fuming sulfuric acid, here also two different products are formed, that are the 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Now the numbering is always given from this chlorine. So it is the 1-chloro, 1, 2 in this way, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is the 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, because this is the benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H attached with the benzene ring, that is the benzene sulfonic acid. And one position there is the chlorine. So 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid are formed. Here also the para product, that is the para-sulfonic acid. Para-chlorosulfonic acid is the major than the ortho-chlorosulfonic acid. Now next reaction of that is the electrophilic reaction, which is also very important, that is the Friedel-Crafts reactions. Now there are the two Friedel-Crafts reactions. First is the alkylation and second is the acylation. That means alkyl group of the alkyl halide and acyl group of the acyl halide get introduced into that chlorobenzene. And this reaction is always carried out in the anhydrous aluminum chloride. That is the main catalyst required for this reaction. So in the Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is the name of the scientist. Now there is always short note on Friedel-Crafts reaction, very important. In the Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is carried out by treating haloarene with alkyl chloride or acyl chloride, if the acylation is there, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 aluminum chloride as the catalyst. Now see, this is the chlorobenzene. Now this chlorobenzene when reacts with that of the methyl chloride. Now this is the alkyl halide, methyl chloride. minus AlCl3, and the hydrogen and the chlorine forms the byproduct, that is the HCl here. Now see students, this methyl group goes here. Now this product is from 1-chlorotoluene. Now this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that the methyl benzene is called as the toluene. At one position there is the chlorine, so it is the 1-chlorotoluene. And the second product, that is the 4-chlorotoluene, is also formed. Now if we use the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is the 4-chlorotoluene. Now in this way, there are the 1-chlorotoluene and 4-chlorotoluenes are formed as that of the products. Into that, 4-chlorotoluene is the major and HCl as the byproduct. Now for acylation, what is there? Only change the reagent. For acylation, only you can change the reagent, and there is now. See student, this is not the 1-chlorotoluene, but if we use the numbering in this way, this is the always 2-chlorotoluene is there, not 1. As this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-chloro, so it is the 2-chloro. And for acylation, what is there? Here take only the reagent, that is the CS3, C double bond OCl, that is the acyl chloride. Now this is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Now what is there? Only this acetyl group get introduced here, and there is the formation of, now this is C double bond O CS3. This acetyl group I introduce here. Again here also C double bond O CS3. Now the name of these two different products are 1-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. That is not one, that is the 2-chloroacetophenone. There is the mistake in the table. Acetophenone, and this is the 4-chloroacetophenone. Remember that. The numbering is always given from this. 1, 2, again here 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 2-chloroacetophenone. This is the ketone, because this is one of the R group and this is another R group. Now this is the aryl ketone and this is the 2-chloroacetophenone. This is the minor product, and this is the 4-chloroacetophenone. Acetophenone, because aceto and phenone. In this way, this is the about the electrophilic substitution reaction, students. But if you understand this video very well, how the electrophilic reactions are carried out, how their ortho and para products are formed, and all these are the short note types question. So you like, share and subscribe this video so that the maximum students can be confidently write down the reaction in the examination. Thank you for watching this video and take the screenshot, students. These are very important short note and reactions. Always ask into the examination. Now thank you for watching this video.